The word Kitsch comes from German. Kitsch in German means trash. Something that is kitsch is ugly or bad. It is something that is tacky, gaudy and garish. We use the word kitsch for objects of art and decoration that are mass produced. So जो objects masses को appeal करते हैं, those are described by the word kitsch. For example, to my side, what you see is an example of kitsch art. Now such cheap tacky toys are mass produced, they do not have any real artistic value and they are available at every flea market. The word for such objects is kitsch. Let's have the usage here. The flea market outside the church was full of small shops selling kitsch art depicting biblical stories. Now, you can really use the word kitsch with a number of things. For example, kitsch architecture, kitsch decoration, kitsch embroideries on the dress. You can actually use the word kitsch for any artistic decoration that is cheap, mass-produced and gaudy. Hopefully we are getting the meaning here.
I'm a OG boy. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my seat, boy. Know that